Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to set your photo on your keyboard, on your Google keyboard. I'm just going to show in this video, and if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to set our photo in keyboard for Android in your Google keyboard. So it's actually a download if you having, that's okay. If you don't have this, download gboard from Play Store and just open the keyboard here. Now you just need to click on this option here and just choose the theme option. So after clicking on the theme, you will see an option of plus symbol on the top. So click on this plus symbol and select the image from your gallery. So I'm just going to select it. Select any image. For example, here I'm just going to select my computer photo and click on next option, and you will see or adjust the brightness option. You can adjust fully like this and just click this, and I actually click on the 10 option. Now you can see you can just enable the key borders or don't enable the key borders if you just need it. So now you can see how it's look like, and this is how it's the image has been created. So you can also pick your image also. They're just going to show that also have the scale size of image for you. So click on the next option, adjust the brightness, and click done option. That's it. Just click on the apply option. Now it's applied. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.